What's up, guys? Welcome back to my Etsy print on demand series for 2021. In this one, I'm going to show you how to increase your click-through rate from search results and your conversion rate from your product listing page, two things that are of critical importance. I'm going to show you how to increase both by running a sale. Now, it probably, like you just heard me guarantee I'm going to increase your click-through rate and your conversion rate. You're probably like, all right, this is probably going to be a lot of work, or there's going to be some catch. It's going to cost me money. Nope. It's easy to do. It doesn't cost money. It only costs a little bit of time. Yet for some reason, a lot of people don't take advantage of this. So I'm going to show you exactly what you need to do to run a sale on Etsy. And I'm going to show you two ways of doing it. I'm going to show you what I consider to be the optimal way. And I'm going to show you a more hands-off, let's just call it the lazy way. So if you're ready, let's get started. Quick reminder to enter my free weekly print on demand giveaway. Every Sunday, 2 winners are selected. This week's sponsors are Flying Research, print on demand research tools, AutomatePOD, design creation automation, Chrome extension, All American Graphics, premium pre-made graphics for your designs, and Bubble Scout, the only Redbubble niche research and validation tool. You can find a link in the description to enter the giveaway. Also in the description, you can find a link to my 8-day print on demand mini course delivered via email and a link to my print on demand Facebook group. All right, if you missed part 7, you should watch the videos before this one in order. My goal was to make a Etsy series for 2021 that you could just watch in order and basically check all those boxes off your list. And part 7 I'll link to in the YouTube cards right here, where I show you how to set up Etsy personalization. If you use personalization and you run a sale, you are dramatically increasing the likelihood of making some sales. All right, let's get to the reason you're here. I'm going to show you how to do this on your Etsy listings. I'm going to show you how to get that green text that you see there. And as you can see, it crosses out the original price that was $19.99. It says $17.99. And then underneath that in green text, it says you saved $2 or 10%. And I'm going to show you how to get that even bigger green mark that says sale ends in 28 hours, because that's not always there. But I think that adds a sense of urgency that should increase your conversion rate. So now that I've got your attention, because I know you know that that's going to help people check out it when, you know, it's easy for people to like favorite something. Oh, I'll come back later, or add to cart. I'll come back later. When you get that sale ticking down the clock, people are going to take it more seriously. All right. So here's how you set this up. Go to your shop manager and then go to marketing on the left-hand side navigation underneath finances. Then you should see the discount details screen where we can input all the information about our sale. So there's no right or wrong way to do this, but I'm going to give you my general recommendations. For the top portion, I recommend doing a percentage off sale, and the lowest percent I usually do is 10% off. I've experimented with as high as 30% off, and whenever I do like 10% or 20% or 30%, I offset the cost of my products so that it still gets to the same price. Like I'll run a 10% off sale, but still charge $19.99. Or I'll run a 20% off sale, still charge $19.99. You know what I mean? 30% off, $19.99. And what I did is I had built a data table. Like I built a spreadsheet and I just calculated the pricing that I needed to set my products to in order to offset the sale discount and still get to that end number that I wanted to be at. And in my print on demand course, I share that chart, but I'll share with you guys a price to put your $19.99 products at least. I believe the price is $22.21, but I have it on a screenshot coming up. And that way, when it's 10% off, it should still take it down to $19.99. All right, so percentage off, 10% off. Where is this offer valid? I just keep it at everywhere. Minimum order to qualify, I set it to none because I'm already pricing in the discount into my final product cost. Duration. Now here's the big one. If you set a short-term duration sale, you will get what I showed you here, where it says sale ends in X amount of time and increases urgency. So what I used to do is always set a sale 2 days out. And then what I would do is, I mean, this may seem a little bit excessive, but pretty much every day I would end the current sale, which is super easy to do. It's like 2 clicks. And then I would start a new sale. And when you come back to the marketing sales screen, you can find your existing sales and end it. You just hit a big red button, ends it, and start a new sale. And by doing that, my products were always discounted, and I always had that like sense of urgency applied because the sale was less than 48 hours. I'm pretty sure if it's like 2 days or less remaining on a sale, Etsy will put the extra thing on the listing that says sale ends in X number of hours, which I really think will help your conversion rate. But if you don't see yourself doing that like every single day, like for me, when I need to do something daily or every other day, I just use Google Calendar, create a recurring reminder, and then makes life easy. But if you don't want to do that, then you can just set the duration of your sale a month out. I think that's the max duration they let you do. And then every month, just establish your sale. Terms and conditions, put something in there like enjoy 10% off with code, and then the code name. And then the next one down, name your sale. Shoppers won't see this, but it's how you'll track its performance. So when I say code take 10, they don't actually need to use the code. It just makes it, I mean, again, this is just what I do. You don't have to copy me exactly, but it makes it feel more legit to me. So even though they don't need to remember the code. By the way, I will show you how to use coupons later if you subscribe and you catch the rest of this series. So make sure you're subscribed to the channel. But for now, this is just something that I'm used to doing. They may write down take 10 like, oh, I got to remember the code, but they won't actually need to input it anywhere. Etsy will automatically apply the 10% off sale. So the next screen, so we go ahead and we click continue. The next screen, you have to choose your listings. And what you can do is on that button where it says add all active listings, you can just click that and it adds everything, or use the search bar. And as you type, it'll do a little fly out drop down menu. And you can just click each listing that you would like added to your sale. So it is that simple. And then review and confirm. You can see discount type, sale, offer, 10% off, minimum order, none, duration, 1 day, listings included, 2 listings, name, take 10, sale details, enjoy 10% off with code take 10. Boom. Then you just click this little button right here next to me at the bottom of the screen, confirm and create discount. And that will make your sale live. Now, I probably should have put this screenshot before that previous slide, but you can see here that we are now running a sale. And I just wanted to let you know, as promised, if you would like to run a 10% off sale and you don't know what to price your products at, you can actually just go in and price them at $22.21. And then when the 10% off is applied, like you see here, it'll bring the cost down to that nice pricing psychology of $19.99. I don't know if buyers will understand what we're doing or not, but it always is good. I think $19.99 is pretty much the sweet spot for selling t-shirts online, at least most of the time. So yeah, that's it, guys. This is my recommended approach for selling on Etsy. These little things, if you can just check them off the list, they add up. And over time, you start to see an increase in sales and it just kind of snowballs. So make sure you take advantage of all these things that I'm showing you. I hope I'll see you at part 9 of the series, where I'm going to show you how to set up free shipping on your listings. I'm also going to show you how to set up Etsy's free shipping guarantee and talk about why you should consider doing that, because it will be beneficial to your account as a whole, not just a increased conversion rate because customers like free shipping. So you're not going to want to miss that one. Make sure you're subscribed so that you catch it when I release that video. Quick reminder, hit that like button if you haven't already. And if you want to subscribe, that would be awesome. I know I already asked you that, but I'm trying to grow the channel, so those subscriptions really go a long way. And quick reminder, I do have a full print-on-demand course showing you how I make 6-figure print-on-demand sales every single year. If you want to check that out, there's a link in the description. All right, guys, thank you again for watching, and I will see you at part 9.